Have you ever tried adding more than one sound on your TikTok videos? Good news, you can add multiple sounds on TikTok, and in this video, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Hey everyone, Phil Moments here. If you want to level up your TikTok content by mixing music, this tutorial is for you. But before we start, make sure that you're running the latest update of the TikTok app. Now first open the TikTok app, then click this plus button at the bottom to create a new video. You can either record directly inside TikTok or upload the video from your gallery. Once you're done, at the top of the screen, click Add Sound. Now choose a music. This could be a trending song or a viral audio clip that you like. Now click this Edit button. Then adjust its length. Just drag the end of the music and make it shorter. I'm just showing you a quick edit just for the sake of this video, and the sounds are being muted to avoid any copyright issues. And then below, click this sounds button and add another music. Let me just pick a random music, add more music, shorten it so that you can add another sounds in your edit. Now for some reasons, there are music which not allowed to be added in multiple sounds. So if you encounter those music, you can just look around and replace it with another music. So that's how you add multiple sounds on your TikTok videos. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.